What is going on, everybody? Alright guys, what is going on? It's your boy JP here, back with another video. So I just wanted to come on here real quick and talk about a marketing hack for your pressure washing business next year. Now, so what I'm about to show you is definitely not a new method by any means, but this is something I wanted to share with you to kind of remind you that it exists and also how I can help you do it. Now, there's a lot of companies that offer this service. I will say they are, multiple employees. They, have to have a certain profit margin they have to reach to do this service for you. But guys, I'm talking about running postcards, okay? And I'm talking about running a lot of postcards. And basically what this is take a postcard. So I did this design myself. It's basically a thank you card for the year that I'm sending my past customers. I got a stack done right here. I still have a ton more to do, but essentially, man, what I'm doing is sending these out to my previous customers, just reminding them, and on the back it even says, hey, looking forward to taking care of your home. Hope I didn't show an address there. If I did, I'll blur it out, but looking forward to taking care of your home this year. And so basically it just reminds them that, hey, I took care of your home last year, looking forward to doing business again this year. But also the beautiful part of a postcard, in my years of being in marketing, the number one thing that really helps when selling a product is being able to touch a product, like feel a product, right? And so these postcards I have right here, man, you're not throwing these away. Like, these are laminated. It's hard to crumble them up. I'm not gonna crumble up because this is going out to a customer, but it's really good material and it's not something they're just gonna take and throw away, right? So you putting this in front of your potential customers or even your current customers that you want to return the next year is super, super powerful, because it's almost like you're getting to the door before the door-to-door salesman, right? And it's an amazing way to do it because everyone's got to check their mail, right? And if they really are just not interested at all, they can just throw it in the trash. But you have every right to do this, and it's not evasive at all, like a door hanger or putting a business card in front of their face or putting it in their mailbox and then littering everywhere. Like, it's straight, you make the postcards and you mail it and it ends up in their mailbox. It's legal. It's 100%. It's tried and true. This is something that a lot of companies have been doing for forever. And heck, I remember in my miscellaneous drawer, that's what we call it, right? I had tons of postcards when I lived in a house last year, right? So it's just like, it's a really good way to advertise, and people will keep these around, right? And especially if you have a good design, which is something I can help you with. If you have a good design, this is something they will keep, man. It's just visually appealing, and it's something they're like, why am I gonna throw this away? Like, especially if it says something nice like thank you or something like that. Why would they throw it away, right? So when they're thinking about pressure washing or whatever service industry you're in, they will think of you because you're in their home already. You're not knocking at their door, you're not harassing them, you're not cold calling them or something like that. You're right there in their house, right? So it's a great way to do it. And big way I can help you do this. Guys, if you want to book a call, there is a link in the description. We can set up a game plan, right? So I can make your design for you. I do marketing, guys. That's my other business. I do marketing. I run people's Facebook ads. I do designs for business cards. I do designs for yard signs. I do designs for postcards now. And so I can help you guys with your marketing and getting these postcards up and running. And all you got to do literally is just talk to me, right? For 30 minutes, we can set up a game plan and I can do everything else for you, right? I give you the price, you pay it, and I'm sending out your postcards. It's as simple as that. And obviously I'm not going to sit here and I'm not going to break the bank, right? Because I don't have a million employees. This is all me. Like, this is all something I will be doing, right? I've ran multiple businesses, especially a clothing brand, where I've dealt with the post office and stuff, and I know how all this stuff goes. So I'm taking that stress off of your back, and basically you're paying me just a fee for doing that for you. And in return, just a couple of these postcards rock out for you, bro. You're making all the money back that you invested and 10x more, just because you invested back into your business and invested into a tried and true way to get business. Like, I promise you, just this stack of business cards will get me all the business cards, all the stamps, everything, all the time especially that it took to get these ready. I promise you it will be 100% worth it next year, because I'm building my presence, right? And that is so important, guys. You have to sit there and basically keep people informed, keep people in the loop, because, you know, it's not like a personal thing, right? You know, we all forget about things. I couldn't tell you the last plumber I had to come by, or the last, you know, even restaurant I ate at, other than IHOP, right? Because I'm right down the road from it. But but I cannot tell you a lot of places unless they sit here and send me like email marketing or something that reminds me they exist. Like, I'll just forget about them, no matter how good the food was, right? So this is a great way to remind your customers that you exist, and remind people in your area that you exist, and that even pressure washing exists, because you're not even thinking about the customers that have never even had their house pressure washed, right? You could be their first time. Guys, link in the description if you do want to work. We'll hop on a call, take like 30 minutes. We'll set up a game plan. We'll take the payment, and the next thing you know, you will be getting calls out the woo-ha because you decided to invest into your business. You know as well as I do, if you invest into your business, hey, that puppy pays you out. It's like a money printer, man. You put it in, 10x it out, right? So guys, I just wanted to put this out there just to remind you guys. And even if you don't work with me, I wish you the best of luck next year. And as always, I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.